Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Today's video, I am going to be a unicorn. So I am going to start off with my unicorn horn. I want to start off with this first because when you're using latex or anything like that, you want to just kind of make sure that you're working on a clean surface. So I don't want to put my foundation on yet. I will do that after, and then we'll get all into the nitty gritty. So first I'm going to take the spirit gum, and I guess this is like the glue. I'm going to put it around this, hold it here, let it sit there, let it dry, and then I'm going to kind of secure. I am going to use my Kylie Valentine lip liner, and I'm not going to use this on my lips, but I am going to use it in my eyebrows. I'm going to start off by smudging it on my hand, or you can just smudge it from the brush, and then I'm just going to start filling in my eyebrows. Next, I am going to take the Kylie Jenner Valentine lip stain, and I am going to use this to make my eyebrows more vibrant. I'm gonna go do the other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Okay then, eyebrows. I'm a unicorn with good eyebrows. Okay, so I was really inspired by NikkieTutorials. Her unicorn tear look like really got me going, so I am doing unicorn tears in this video. So now I'm gonna start on my eye look, and with the eye look I'm actually going to again use my 24-hour extended eye base primer. So I will be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm going to start off using my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to use this red color right here, and that's going to be like my base. So next I am going to take the matte purple in the palette, and I'm put this on my entire eyelid. And I'm taking my MAC 221S brush to clean this up. So next I am going to take my Morphe 124 brush, and I am going to use this really vibrant pink. So next I'm going to just go back in with that purple because I feel like I don't want it to look messy. So now I'm going to take this little brush right here, just a regular eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take one of these two pinks, possibly the lighter one, because that's the one she used, and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. And I'm going to go in with my 124 brush to get a little bit more color. So before I start on the lower half my eyes, I am going to put my base on. So I will begin with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I will be using my MAC Skin Base Visage Prep and Prime Primer. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend all of this out. So now I'm going to take the blue here and I'm going to put it underneath my waterline. And I'm kind of just bringing that blue up. I'm going to use my 221S brush and I'm going to kind of start the tiers. So now I'm going to take this white color right here and I'm going to add the shimmery effect that was going on. Because I don't really know how she got her glue to stick, I think it was just like stuck on the foundation. I do kind of want to add in some silver, kind of for clear teardrops. This is the NYX Glitter Liquid Crystal Liner. So I'm just going to kind of dab it in. So you want to be quick because you don't want the glue to dry. So I'm going to go in with this glitter that I had laying around since last year. And I'm going to kind of use the brush. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit more glitter. And just be careful because the burning from the glue is making me cry. My face is burning. Again, my skin is sensitive, so if you have sensitive skin, be careful with this glue. I'm gonna go cry on the other side. Okay, so because I don't have like crazy crystals like she did, I need to add some bling to my face. So I'm gonna add some crystals above my eyebrows. Before I finish putting on my rhinestones, I'm showing y'all a trick. I have the rhinestone on the Q-tip, so it is sticky, so you don't need that glue, and you just place it and use your finger to drop it. So I am using my MAC mascara. This is the Inextreme. So for eyelashes, I am just going to throw on some wispies because I don't like to use brand new lashes, only because I know I'm going to take them off. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. They're drying. And while that does that, I'm going to add some La Peach highlighter because I need to bling a little. So now I'm going to line my lips with the Valentine lip line. So now I'm going to use the liquid lipstick. So next I'm going to use my Treasure Beach Lip Glass from MAC. And I want to put this on top because I do want a little glow. Alright, so this is the final look. I really think this is a really cute look. And I'm crying. But yeah, this is really cute. It's quick, it's easy. You can always put a little spin on it. Always make sure your horn is laid down. So I decided to make a new mold. I needed to make a new base period because the plastic base just looked too fake. So I made a new mold using tissue and glue, and then again just apply my foundation over it to make it look more realistic. And then from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I just used a few of the eyeshadows, so the blue and the purple, so that it looked more realistic. You know, I got my hair popping. Okay, well, I hope you all enjoy this look. If you do like this look, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are loving these videos, make sure that you subscribe. I want to say thank you to you all, and I will see you all soon. Bye.
Beautiful, magical unicorn for you.
For me?
Yes, it's like a My Little Pony. Come out, pony.
I get a pony.